Okay. Everybody's getting set up. We got about 20 minutes to go. I see heirloom tomatoes in my future. How about it? They go on and on and on. Vendors. We just need customers now. The sun is shining. Damn, I better go down this way. I didn't see all this action. The seafood man's just pulled up. Look at these peaches. Will you take a look at these peaches? I had some of them last week. They were earth shaky. Great. We got flowers today, beans, and peaches. Well, we got a half hour to go. I don't know if we've been in the ripper category, but we're damn close to it.
Will you be here in July? You can be here in July?
Market's been busy as crap all day.
Yes, ma'am.
One of my creatures is a puller. She don't want to play with no ball. She wants to pull this damn rope. That's all she lives for. She's Jack's buddy, Dottie. Go get it.